Baby cat. Baby cat.
Did Kitty get hay?
Huh?
Did Kitty get hay?
She has plenty. Look. Over on the left. Hi, Buckwheat and Sambo and the baby calf and the white and the black calf.
Hi, big boy.
Where's Blondie? You are.
Did you get that? Do you see a little baby, Micah? A little baby cow.
Yes. Kitty just turned the bucket over.
Oh, he's there? Shoot. Kitty, what's that? Come on. Why did you do that?
Probably because you were messing with her.
Him. He's a boy. He makes babies.
Kitty's a girl.
Kitty is not a girl. He's a girl name, but he's not a girl.
Yes, he is.
No, baby, that's what his. See his things?